I'm going to send the Toca girl to send the delivering and the bird to your TV spot. Ha 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 ha. Oh yeah, for the next day, so I'm going to play violin. Oh, Wait, I'm going to play violin. Hello there, Toca girl. What, Toca doing? No, what are you doing? You are not. Oh, what are you going? I'm going to send to the company for bird the TV spot tailors. Oh no! Not even scary. That's so scary. Walking dream, Dylan Corner dreams, and let's birdie. The good no. Too bad. Too bad. I'm gonna send. Too bad. So sad, Toca girl. I'm going to send the bird in trashing girls to TV spot in us final. No. Oh no! What the hell are you sent to teach on the bird? It's so scary. Why? Uh-oh. What are you do that? It's scary, dude. And always you're going to. Oh yes, thank you so much, Toca girl. Thank you so much, Toca. Thank you so much, Daddy. Well, you're welcome, Toca girl. And what did you do? Wait, wait a moment. It's Toca Dylan. What I'm going to do? I'm going to do what? Wait, what? What I'm going to do? That's it. I'm going to do. Toca Dylan, get over here right now. What is it, Dad? Can want to scare my Toca girl was a tinkering jump early of the kitchen for the movie TV spot. Tell me the truth right now. Oh, mom. Yes. Whoa. Toca Dylan. How dare you, that little scary the little bird seemed to call Jensen's TV spot. You know what's scary of the Toca girl seemed to send you. That's it. Oh yeah, I'm going to also punishment. I'm going to send to Shanks 1944 TV spot tailors. No. No. Please don't do it, not Shanks 1944. Please no. Too bad, so sad. Color. Oh no! Why not send Shanks 1944 to TV spot? Why?
Malcolm Shanks hears no evil. He speaks no evil. Because he's too busy making dead people walk. If you're nervous and you feel jumpy, Malcolm will show you how to relax. The great artist Marcel Marceau plays Malcolm Shanks and many other forms of life rated PG.
Wow. That's so scary at all. Too bad, so sad. Too bad, so sad. You are grounded for months. Go to your room. One.